What if I told you that one design trend earned me over $16,000 in my shop within a 3-month period? I know, crazy, right? But it really did happen to my shop. The most interesting part about it is that when I found the trend, there were only 1 or 2 other shops doing it at the time, and I became an early adopter, and it was a complete game changer for my shop. When I found that trend, I tweaked it, I made it my own, and one listing brought in over 3,700 orders to my shop. And that is why identifying up and coming, new and different things that people are doing that are getting traction and attention can be a complete game changer for your shop. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a new trend that I found pretty recently that it really is about to blow up, and you're definitely going to want to be one of the shops who takes advantage of something new. Without any further ado, we'll get into it. We have the design, and if you look at it, there's an overlay on top of it that will give it that effect that the design is broken up into a lot of different pieces. If we look at the top left, we have that bestseller badge, and we can see on the top right, 4 people bought it in the last 24 hours, and it's only a 1-month-old listing. Just a heads up too, that this is really popular right now in the Christian niche, but you can take that effect and you can add it to really any niche that you want. So we'll hop into the design tutorial. I'll show you how to make this. Okay, now we are in Canva, and I am going to be using one of 3 images I generated. If you like any of the images, go ahead and let me know. Leave the word prompt below, and I'll get you over 3 different prompts that will give you a result similar to this. It'll be really pretty and really easy for you. Now, I think I do want to go with image number 2. You will need your image and you'll need your overlay layer. The overlay layer is what will give you that actual cracked effect. You can get your overlay layer on Canva, Etsy, Creative Fabrica, anywhere you like, but your overlay layer needs to be a transparent PNG. I did find 2 that I liked directly in Canva. We have that one here and we have that one here. Now, technically, you can create the cracked image effect directly in Canva. I'll just copy that overlay and I'll show you quickly how it will look in Canva, and you can be done here. The only drawback with that though is that each crack will be white, or whatever color you make your cracked color. So I want the color of the product I'm putting my image on to show through the cracks. I don't want white lines all over it. I just don't want that. I want to have a more elevated, more professional looking design. So I will make my way over to Photopea. Now, those who may not know, Photopea is pretty much a free Photoshop. We'll begin with open from computer, and you want to find your image on your computer and then add that to Photopea. Okay, now that we have our image loaded into Photopea, now we want to get our transparent PNG overlay, and you do that by making your way over to File, Open, and Place, and now you want to find your overlay file. Now when you find your overlay file and click Open, it will lay right on top of your image, and we can begin to see how the cracked effect will look on our design. Now you are working with 2 layers. We're not going to be working with any other layers. We have our overlay layer here, and then we have our image layer, which is titled background. You want to make sure that your overlay layer is highlighted. When you have that confirmed, make your way right over to select, and then come down to load selection. If you want to make sure that you have your transparency channel selected, it will pretty much default there, so you shouldn't have to worry about it, but just a quick check, and then click OK. Now that we have that done, you want to click on your keyboard delete, and then it'll pop that up, and just click learn more or OK. I found that when I've done this, I'll get either an option to click OK or learn more. Click either one, it'll get you the same result. So I'll click learn more, and then we have that done, and then click delete again. There we go. And then make your way down to the background layer. We have that highlighted, and then click delete one more time. Perfect. Now we're going to make our way to File, Export, and we want to save it as a PNG. And that is really important because the PNG is what is going to give you that transparent effect. That way, if you're putting your design on a shirt or anything with a color behind it, the color of that item will show through when you put the design on top of it. Make sure everything looks good to you here. You can change your file name if you like. You can change your dimension. The most important thing would be to keep it a PNG, and then click save. And I'll meet you back in Canva. Okay, now we are in Canva, and I just added a little bit of text to the top and bottom. You can totally make this your own, but I want to keep it very basic for the video. Now I'm going to bring in my image that we saved from Photopea. Okay, we now have that added to the artboard, and you can keep it just like that, but I think I want to take it a little bit of an extra step, and I'm going to come here to corner rounding. I want my corners to be pretty rounded on the design. I'm just going to move that over to 100, make it a little bit more different looking, I think, and just make sure I have everything lined up accordingly. Now, if you notice, my background is green, and if I zoom in, you can see that the green from the background is showing through because we made it transparent. We don't just have white lines thrown on top. So we do have it transparent, and I will change the color so you can see what I'm talking about. We'll make it white, and now you can see the white is showing through. So if you had like a white shirt or a white mug or something like that, it would show through. We'll click purple, and you can see that the color will pop through. We'll do a hot pink, and you can see that it is all transparent and it looks really good. I'll go back to white, and we have our image. Now I'm going to show it to you mocked up. And before we get it mocked up, I want to show you how to save it correctly. So we will click our page and then make our way over to the top right, click share, download. We want to make sure we have that PNG. We want to select transparent background. I'm going to drop down here because I don't need it to give me all 8 pages. I only need the current page. So I will click current page, and then I'll be back when we have it mocked up. Okay, and now we have our beautiful mocked up images, and we can get an idea of how it'll look. And then I have this mock up here as well. And again, we can see the pink is showing through. And then the final mock up would be an idea of how it would look on the back of a shirt, and then the front, of course, too. And again, we have the different colors of our item showing through, which I think is a really nice elevated touch to it. Okay, and there we have it. We quickly and for free created an up and coming trending design that is really about to take off. The members of my Done For You group, I'm gonna go ahead and put the prompts in the group for you, along with the titles and the tags and all the other goodies that you guys get over there. So stay tuned for that, which leads me to, if you are tired of struggling, if you're tired of feeling burnt out, if you're tired of feeling like you have no direction, then go ahead and click the link below in the description to join our Done For You group. We have a great community over there. Everybody is really supportive, and people are making really good moves in their shop without all of the overwhelm and overthinking. So we'd love to have you. But that'll be it for the video. The video right here on your screen goes over 5 unsaturated digital products that you can begin selling in your shop today. I'll catch you guys over there. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.